Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable angle snapping on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the iCUE, which is the iCUE, which is an app for your Corsair devices. What are we going to do here is we're going to go over, and here we have our M65 RGB Ultra. So it is displayed right here for me. Now I'm going to click on a gear icon to open up the device settings. And if you do not see the same settings as me, make sure that you go over and select our M65. Now what are we going to do is we're going to go to angle snapping. It's right here. And we're going to just tap on the switch. So we're going to left click it. As you guys can see, now it is turned off. And that's how you guys can disable it to get some more raw mouse movement. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.